Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we're going to give you a tour of our King Deluxe room at the Beau Rivage Hotel and Casino. This is my 5th attempt at recording this elevator. This is going to be the last shot because I'm checking out. Lots of mirrors in the elevator. So as we come out of the elevator lobby, this hall doesn't look very long. We're going to 7007. The hall doesn't appear to be very long, but that's forgetting just how massive this building is. As we make this turn here, there's another 30 rooms. So it's a pretty good hike if you're in one of the end rooms. This is us here. And this is our Deluxe King room. Let's get a quick overview, and I guess we'll start with the bathroom. So this is a pretty large bathroom. Not really what I expected for a casino hotel. So we have a massive tub here. Not a jetted tub though. I thought it was going to be a jacuzzi or something, but it's just a rather large bathtub. Get an assortment of towels, bath towels, hand towels, washcloths. I guess that's the bath mat. Then we have this vanity area with a big mirror. Everything's very well lit. And they have this recessed ceiling thing, so it looks like they actually put some thought and effort into building the room. We have one of those magnifying makeup mirrors, and it actually works. Box of Kleenex. Seashell sink. Over here we have hand wash and body lotion. And also over here by the tub we have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Down here, yeah, these aren't cabinets or anything, it's all sealed up. I guess they can pop it open if they have to get to the plumbing. Then we have the standard plumbing fixture here. I don't know what brand it is, but it's a jet toilet. Gerber, like the baby food company. We have some more bath towels, hand towels. And then in this corner we have a shower, stand-up shower. Another bath mat. Then inside the shower we have more shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This looks like it could be a pretty good shower head. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's a very good shower head. So far, what I like about this room is it's very well lit. None of the lights are super bright, but there's a lot of lights. So we're going to come out of the bathroom and we'll take a look at the basic safety features. Since I forgot, we have a peephole safety latch. That's an actual mechanical deadbolt. A little entryway, we have the light here, and they have sprinklers. Then we have a mirrored closet, mirrored doors for the closet. And we open up the closet, and in here we have a wall safe. That's a hair dryer, an iron, a bunch of hangers with a laundry bag, and apparently they do some sort of laundry service here. Ironing board. And down here, this is a fridge. It's like one of those wine fridges with the glass door. Winter. And then the light in here, when you close the left door, actually when you close both of the doors, there's switches up here. So in order to turn the light out, both of the doors have to be shut. So that's a pretty good feature. It's almost like a car door. So now we're going to move into the room, and this is actually the first time I've stayed in a casino hotel since like 1997. And back then, it was the hotel I stayed at was Circus in Las Vegas, and I don't think they had such a thing as non-smoking rooms. And of course, back then I was a smoker. Everybody smoked, and I kind of expected the room to smell like a casino. Now, this is a non-smoking room. Everything has kind of a yellowish tint to it, and that's something that I think they do that because it doesn't show the nicotine. But this is a non-smoking room. It doesn't smell like cigarette smoke. It smells like a hotel room. It's a very nice room. I mean, they've tried to kind of make it more of a luxury type hotel. This is a Deluxe King, so I guess it's a little bit better than a regular King. But you got this little thing over the bed with, I guess those are reading lamps, and they're individually controlled by these switches on the wall. So from each side of the bed, you can turn your lamp off. A his and hers type setup. Got the big padded headboard. This is a king size bed, and this is padded here. This almost mural type thing on the wall here. Luggage rack. Then the regular bedside lamp, it's upside down, but it's got a power outlet and USB. Because they've taken up everything here, so you got to have that power outlet there, and a telephone, which I can't imagine anybody using. We have the drawer with the Gideon's Bible in it, and then an empty drawer. On this side, this weird looking clock, radio, looks like a pencil sharpener. This has two outlets, outlet up here, USB port, and this is two USB ports here. Everything works the same over here. We have a switch for the light and a switch for the overhead light up there. This, I'm guessing, is Bluetooth or something. I don't ever fool with those. And we have our two drawers here, which are empty. Our HVAC is a corner unit here, and it's controlled by a thermostat, which when you turn it up higher than the temperature in the room, the heater comes on. So it's suddenly very hot in here. I turned it up earlier just to quiet it down. It's not loud, but not good for shooting video. Got these little ambient light. It's kind of like a leaf. Then we have this little table and chair set here. It's really uncomfortable, but you can face the table or you can face the room. When I sat down here and had something to eat earlier, there's some more power outlets and network connectivity. Then we have this piece of furniture here, and down here we have an ice bucket with a liner and a little set of tongs to pick up the ice. A couple of bottles of MGM branded water. Then 6 drawers. That's a full chest of drawers there. All of which are empty. You get this big round thing in the corner, and it seems like it should swing open or something, but it doesn't. Up on top, we have a Keurig coffee maker. And they give us a couple of pods from the Roasted Bean, which is the coffee shop down in the lobby. There's kind of like a mall area downstairs. And we get some half and half and little condiment packets with sweet and low and napkins and sugar. And some more water, cups, MGM Resorts Wi-Fi. And we have a decent sized television. It's not a smart TV. So finally, we're going to get to the view. And I'm going to turn out the lights so you can see the view. So when I booked the room, I was under the impression there was Gulf View and City View rooms. But apparently, what I got was wall view. So it's not the greatest view. If you press your face to the glass and look down that way, you can see the beach, sort of, and you can see a view down Highway 90 looking west. This might be a little bit better during the day, but it's kind of spoiled by this building here in front of us, and that's, I guess that's like the top of the casino building. And then there's spotlights shining up, so hopefully these curtains black out the window pretty good. We'll take a look at that next, and then we'll come back and see what this looks like during the day. So with the curtains closed, this room is pitch dark. I mean, there's no light coming in at all. I had to overlap the curtains a little bit, but they work perfectly well, at least against those spotlights. And I would imagine that in the morning when the sun comes up, which will kind of be like the opposite direction that this window faces. I don't think there's going to be any problem with the early morning sunlight waking me up. There's a couple of things that light up a little bit. One is the alarm clock, which can be unplugged or put face down, and the other is the thermostat, which isn't super bright. So I think this is going to be a very dark room at night. So let's check out the view in the daylight and see how that looks. So I've got to say, it's 9:15 in the morning on a Saturday morning. I set an alarm for 9 o'clock. I typically get up way earlier than that, but on the weekend I set the alarm for 9 just so I don't sleep too late. And this is the first time I've slept until 9 in 6 months. And it's pretty dark in this room with the curtains drawn. There's a little crack of light coming in there, but I got to turn on a light before I get up to be able to even see where I'm walking. So these curtains did a really good job of blocking out the light. So this is the daylight view, and see, we have this building here that's pretty much blocking the view of everything. But if we look over here, we can see the top of the parking garage and Highway 90 heading west. So we can see a little bit, and you can see some of the Gulf out there, but it's just not a great view. And looks like a blue Honda Civic out there, and that is not mine. Anyway, that's the view. So we're going to finish up this hotel room tour here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.